Good morning, everyone. It's Edward with you for the Twiddy & Company Beach Report, and doing something a little different today. I'm down here at the Avalon Public Boat Launch here in Kittleville Hills. So if you're ever looking for a place to launch your boat while you're on vacation, you're staying down in this area, this is a perfect spot. Plenty of parking here. There's overflow parking across the street. It's just a nice morning. I'm actually I'm getting my vehicle inspected this morning. It's Monday morning, and I was thinking about how thankful I am to live on the Outer Banks, where we can do something as mundane as getting a vehicle inspected and having to wait. Instead of sitting in the waiting room, you just go for a walk along Bay Drive in Kittleville Hills. There's a great pedestrian path along the Sound, and then you get to see beautiful sights like that. That's Collington over there, and Kitty Hawk is back up to the north. And it's really nice here on the Sound side today, but I could have just as easily and actually more quickly walked over to the beach and had a beach walk this morning from the same spot. So just something nice about living here on the Outer Banks. Last week was a mixed bag. It was actually not a mixed bag. It was coolest week of the year so far. We had a rough ocean. We've really had rough ocean for many weeks now, and but I did get to see I had seen the Aurora Borealis the week before. This past week I got to see the comet, which I struggled to pronounce. And so also we had the full moon coming up. Just a lot of neat things to see over the past couple of weeks. So I'll share some of my sights from this past week. That's my beach report. Hope you're all doing well, and we look forward to seeing you here on the Outer Banks. I also had a great opportunity to take our accounting team around the beach this week. We even got to see some horses on what was a beautiful but cool day. Just a good reminder that even our local residents can't get enough of a good old beach cruise.